You way down, Lord, please. Just shooting. So champs, we're here today at Next Gen Chats NGC. Come on. And it's going to be an absolutely exciting time. Hopefully, if you're not going to be here today, hopefully you'll come and join us for the next one happening the last Saturday of September, Lord willingly, the 25th. It's going to be great, all right? We're going to be answering the questions of the young people. And maybe, hey, you got some questions that you want to ask and so forth, you can maybe send them through in the meantime at info@kinginme.co.za, and we will reply and respond accordingly moving forward. I'm here with one of the incredible, come on, campeones, all right, of the team, Champion Codes, my bro. Good to have you here.
Thank you very much.
Right. And it's going to be an exciting time today. So Cody over here, all right, he's part of the greater scheme of things, the greater band of things, and you're going to be doing some hip hop.
They've been waiting on a drop. I gotta drop. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna rock that. We're gonna rock that. We're gonna rock that. So we look forward to seeing you guys at the next one as well. Okay.
Awesome. So listen, if you're into music and whatnot, get in touch with Cody Namhlanje, all right, for some mentorship over there and some guidance. Listen, fam, we all need guidance. Victory is one when there are many advisors.
True.
At the end of the day, no man is an island or no woman is an island. We are built for community, and so we are very excited. I don't know if you guys can hear in the back, the band and the pose are busy. Is it a po in Afrikaans? You call it a po?
Peacock.
A peacock, there we go. It's a po in Afrikaans. In English it's called a peacock, but nonetheless it's going to be a great time. I mean, the USB is excited. Look at the USB. Look at the USB. USB's pumped. So yeah, we're excited for what's going to happen. And hey, listen, we just also want to encourage you today that God will never ever leave you. He will never ever forsake you, fam. You might feel alone, but brother and sister, you are not alone. God is right there with you, all right? And just know today, Namhlanje Guti, your voice matters.